Hey everybody, welcome to Willis Elevators and welcome to another trip report video. As you can see here, I'm currently arriving at Cairo International Airport in the early morning. In today's video, we will be flying for the very first time on Egyptair Boeing 737-800 aircraft to Luxor, Egypt. Here I am checking in to print out my boarding pass. We got past the TSA and here we are now getting on the moving walkway to go to gate G as Gulf 21. There's our flight schedule on what time we will be boarding. Here we are going down to the escalators to go to the lower level to get to the gate. And out there is our aircraft, which is registered Sierra Uniform Golf Echo Echo that was delivered 11 years ago in July 2012. The time for this flight will be 1 hour and 10 minutes and we will be flying over the altitude of 23,000 feet in the flight number 62. And without any further delays, we will begin boarding now. Here we are now boarding gate G as Gulf 21 and we're about to get inside the boarding bridge. And out there is the view of the plane.
Hello. Good morning.
And once we're on board the 737-800, you are greeted with this old standard interior. This plane has two class configurations with 24 business class seats with the pitch of 48 and with a 20, 120 economy class seats with the pitch of 32 and with a 17, making them a total of 144 seats on board. I'm heading to my seat 29A.
29, sí.
Here's your quick view outside. Here's the tray table, which it pulls back, and right there's the cup holder where you put your drink. Here I have not much of a legroom. And here's the safety card, which shows the safety instructions. And up here you have your overhead controls.
طائرة مصر للطيران رحلة رقم 62 المتجهة إلى الأقصر نتوقع or set them to flight mode. Egyptair and the crew on board wishing you a pleasant view.
And before pushback, here's a quick view of the safety video.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be securely fastened. To fasten your seatbelt,
Attention crew, doors to arm position, cross-check and standby.
the buckle.
Here we are now pushing back from gate G21 and listen to the motor start up.
We would like to remind you that all Egyptair flights are non-smoking, including electronic cigarettes. Smoking is prohibited in all areas of the aircraft. Toilets are fitted with smoke detectors. Tampering with a smoke detector or non-adherence to these instructions is a criminal offense under the law. There are 4 main emergency exits and 4 overwing exits on this aircraft, which are clearly marked. Please keep in mind your nearest emergency exit, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, the path to the exits will be illuminated. Instructions on how to open the exits can be found on each exit. In case of using slides for emergency evacuation, please remember to leave your belongings and remove your footwear. If there is a sudden change in cabin pressure, your oxygen masks will drop down automatically in front of you. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, Pull down the mask firmly and slip the band over your head. Pull the loose end to adjust the mask to your face. Remember to put your mask on first before helping others. Breathe normally until we announce it can be removed. Your life vest is here, or here, or here.
Here we are now taxiing to runway 05 center, and we'll be taking off very shortly. Alright, so here we made it on runway 05 center. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the takeoff. Alright, so we have just begun our takeoff from Cairo, and we are reaching our initial altitude of 23,000 feet. Shortly after takeoff, I just got a bottle of water. Every seat has a seat control located on the armrest, but I'm not so sure if it works because I didn't bring any headphones. Let's go check out the rear lavatory of the 737-800. Alright everyone, this is the back lavatory of the 737-800 aircraft, and look at the mirror. Hello, and let's take a look around here. And here's the door lock here, and then as you can see, the light is off, but if you lock the door, we get light. And here's the no smoking sign. Here's the Arabic language, and right here's your sink. There's no soap here. I think this is like a hand dryer or something. And here's some spray. This is some spray here. This is a hand soap. So I didn't know that. And right there are the paper towels. Here's the commode with the flush button. Right here is the baby changing station. And right here are the tissues. So, and there's toilet paper, and here's the trash bin. So, and here's the cigarette disposal. And right there's the cabin crew call button. And anyways, we're gonna head back to our seat now. Here we are heading back to our seat now. Here we are now descending in Luxor, in which we're going below the altitude of 23,000 feet. As we are on our final approach to Luxor, here's a stunning view, and we will be landing on runway 20 soon.
الساعة الآن 7:10 حسب التوقيت المحلي. درجة الحرارة خارج الطائرة 18 درجة مئوية. حرصا على سلامتكم وسلامة الآخرين نرجوكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم حتى تطفأ إشارة ربط حزام المقعد. نرجو أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم برحلتكم معنا ونتمنى أن نحظى بلقائكم مرة أخرى. نشكركم على اختياركم مصر للطيران. Ladies and gentlemen, we've just landed Luxor Airport. Local time is 7:10 a.m. and the temperature outside is 18 degrees Celsius. For your own safety and the safety of others, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. We hope that you have enjoyed this flight with us and we're looking forward to seeing you once more. Thank you for choosing Egyptair.
Here we are pulling into gate 3, which is the remote boarding position.
Pero dio fecha 21 o 25, ¿viste? Ah, fíjate, todavía no tiene fecha. Lo que pasa es que, o sea, si voy a venir, llevamos más cosas
In this next scene, this is deboarding Egyptair Boeing 737-800 aircraft Flight 62 from Cairo to Luxor, Egypt.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Here's one last view of the plane. Well everyone, that's going to wrap up the trip report video on Egyptair Boeing 737-800 aircraft from Cairo to Luxor, Egypt. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what everybody thinks. So, till then guys, thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.